Hello everyone, a very good day to everyone. Today I have with me a vacuum cleaner from Kent. It is the Kent Zoom vacuum cleaner. This is a cordless, horseless and rechargeable vacuum cleaner. Some of its salient features, it can work up to 30 minutes with 4-5 hours of recharge, has a 130 watt motor. On the back side of the box you have the product details. The model number is 16068. And the quoted price here is 14,999, but I bought this for 6,999 from Amazon. I will leave the buying link later in the video description. In terms of the various accessories that comes along, which I will unbox and show you to you in a while. So the first thing on the box is the motorized floor brush, which can be used for both surface and carpet cleaning. It has a motorized brush at the bottom and an adjustable connector. The next accessory is the multi-nozzle. This is primarily for cleaning surfaces like curtains, sofas and carpets. It has a soft padding at the bottom and an adjustable neck. So I think this will be very useful to clean curtains without having to remove. Next is the multi-purpose 2-in-1 crevice nozzle. This comes with an adjustable brush head, which can be adjusted as per need. Next is the extension rod. This is made of aluminum, and on both sides we have the plastic connectors. And next is the charger. Next one is the wall hanging unit, which we can mount the complete set on a wall. So this is the main vacuum motor itself. Let me keep this aside. And then we have the warranty card and the user manual. I suggest to go through the instructions, the user manual carefully before using the vacuum cleaner. And this is the main unit. It weighs about 2 kilos. I think with the accessories it may weigh about 3 kilos or so. But it's really nicely built. It has the power button at the top with the battery indicator. It does have some power left, and the top and the LED indicators, and the top is to set it at max mode. And inside we have this wire mesh. And then the HEPA filter, which is washable. Now both the wire mesh and this HEPA filter can be cleaned by washing. So let me show you how to connect all the different components. The first is to connect the aluminum rod. And then the motorized floor brush. It fits really snugly, and you have these blue buttons to remove them easily. and this is the crevice 2-in-1 crevice nozzle. And then the multi nozzle. So I have some lentil seeds and just a small mug of rice. So I'll show you the suction power of the vacuum cleaner. So let's check it out. So I'll put this into hyper mode or max mode. So the suction power is really great. It was able to pull up all the grains and the rice that I had on the floor, as you can see. So I really liked this vacuum cleaner. Very handy, cordless. I don't have a wire dangling around, and looks great as well. And I think at 7,000 rupees or 6,999, I think it's worth it, a value for money. It has got really good attachments which will take care of any sort of cleaning that I may want to do around my house. So that's it, guys. I will see you in my next video. I hope you will like this product and also my video. If you do like this vacuum cleaner, I will leave the Amazon buying link in the description below. Please use the link to buy in case if you are interested. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.